Morning, friends. Big Jack here again at St. Augustine Beach. We're doing a short little bike ride this morning. We have 6 bikes at the condos. So coming up is Bones in a green shirt and Cori Lewis trailing behind. Beautiful, beautiful day on the beach.
Yahoo, everyone! Having lots of fun.
Yeah, lots of fun. It's a perfect day to ride the bike. Tide is low, which leaves this hard-packed sand, so it's easy pedaling. Alright, here's Gail's bike. I'm going to hop back on it and catch up with the crew. But as you can see, really, really nice day. A little choppy. It's about 75. I think the water's about 70, but still beautiful. It's early in the morning. I think it's about 9 o'clock here. Okay, Big Jack signing off.